Welcome. Let us learn something new today. Yes, we are going to learn about fairs. What are fairs? Till now, you have learned about festivals. Yes, you were learning about festivals Diwali, Dasara, Christmas, Ramzan, Holi, Onam. Yes, fairs are the uh, gatherings. Fairs are the gathering. Gathering is where many people come for enjoyment and they spend their time there with the family. Okay. So, fairs are the places where people come for enjoyment and also to do some puja, worship some gods. So, fairs are two kinds. First one is religious, where it is specifically done for a god or during a festival. And second one, it is done for entertainment. Okay, it can be to buy books, it can be a complete fair with different games concept, can be anything. To understand that, let us see this. Now, what do we see here? We see a word called Numaish. Numaish is the exhibition in Hyderabad. I think everybody goes to exhibition. Yes, we all go to exhibition. You're all Hyderabadis. This is the entrance gate. Yes. So we go to the exhibition and we happily enjoy there. We play, we eat, we do shopping, and we buy dry fruits, bangles, and many things in the exhibition. You want to see what things are found in exhibition? Just watch.
The most awaiting Pride of Hyderabad is here. Started at the 1st of January with the successful 80 years history. Numaish, abbreviated as Masnud-e-Mulki, was world-known famous industrial expo held every year annually at beginning party day of the year in the stretch of 46 days period. As many, Numaish has the history of various exposures of materials, goods exhibited at the exhibition grounds of Nampally. Numaish exhibits garments, food, to fun to play for kids, sellers of variety of textiles from all over India. Numaish is a fruitful opportunity to customers as well who seeking to establish a presence in Super City Hyderabad, which is the first emerging mega cities of South Asia. As this year, 20 lakh.
Okay, now I was telling you about Kumbh Mela. Yes, see this here. Kumbh Mela is held once in 12 years. You see this picture? This is a picture taken from the satellite. You know what is satellite? Which is there up in the sky. Okay, from that satellite, this picture has been taken. See, these are the people who come to that Mela. They are called Akhadas. Okay, they are called Akhadas, and all these people with this saffron, this is called saffron, orange color cloth. They are all sannyasis. They worship Lord Shiva. They all come here and they celebrate this festival. Okay, they celebrate this festival. Okay, this is a fair which is celebrated like a festival. Actually, this is a fair where many people come for the religious purpose to worship Lord Shiva, and many kinds of pujas are done. Okay, now what is this? I again told you some fairs are conducted during festival times. Onam festival, complete flower decoration. Just like that, yes, if you see here, boat race. This boat race is held during Onam festival, and many people all over India will go and see that. Okay, book fair. This is just a fair. This is not a festival. Onam festival had boat rides, which was celebrated like a fair. Now this is a book fair where people will come and buy different kinds of books of all kinds of subjects. And if you see this, fairs are held in Hyderabad also, children. What is this? Love Hyderabad. Can you identify which place is this? Nothing but Necklace Road. Okay. During that, food festival is conducted. Okay. This is a fair in which a festival is conducted for different kinds of foods. Okay, go-karting. Has anyone gone for go-karting? Yes, many might have gone. Yes, you find this giant wheel, different kinds of shopping, just like You saw the exhibition video? Yes, but this is a bit different. This will be in a small scale, means not many shops, 30 to 40 shops will be there, and everything will be there. Food, dance events, everything will be going on at a time. And what do you find here? Different types of kites. Yes, these are the kites which are flying in the sky during Sankranti festival. Okay. Already I told you in the previous PPT, Lohri in Punjab, Sankranti in Andhra, right? Like that, during Sankranti, kite festival is held in Jaipur and Gujarat. These are Gujarat scenes. This is Jaipur scene. Okay, this is Jaipur and this is Gujarat. So different kinds of kites are. What is? Did you understand now? Yes, these are different kinds of kites flying in the sky. Okay, and people from all over the world will come for this festival, and during the festival time this fair is conducted. So fairs are conducted just like that, like book fairs, children fairs. Okay, and fairs are conducted during festival times like kite, kumbh mela. These are camel fair. These are some fairs which are conducted during festival time. Thank you.